Ever felt like the internet is a vast, echoing library, and you're searching for a specific book, but the librarian is, well, a bit overwhelmed? You ask a simple question, and you get a jumbled mess of links, ads, and maybe, just maybe, a sliver of the answer you were looking for. Or, have you ever wanted to explore complex ideas, brainstorm, or even generate creative content, but felt limited by the tools at your disposal? Pause, slightly dramatic. What if I told you, there's a new way to interact with information, a way that's designed to be more intuitive, more powerful, and, dare I say, more human? That's where Gemini comes in. But what exactly, I asked the Gemini website? Is it just another search engine? Another AI chatbot? Or something entirely different? Music fades out. Let's unpack that. In today's digital age, we're constantly bombarded with information. We're searching, we're summarizing, we're trying to make sense of it all. And traditional search engines, while incredibly useful, sometimes fall short when it comes to understanding the nuances of our queries. They often prioritize keywords over context, leading to results that are technically relevant but not necessarily helpful. Think about it. You might ask, what are the key differences between photosynthesis and cellular respiration? A typical search engine might give you separate articles on each process, leaving you to piece together the comparisons yourself. Or, you might want to brainstorm ideas for a creative writing project, but you're stuck staring at a blank page. This is the problem Gemini aims to solve. It's not just a website, it's a platform built on Google's most capable and general-purpose AI model, also called Gemini. This AI model is designed to be multimodal, meaning it can understand and operate across different types of information, including text, code, images, and more. 1. KailingATV.com. KailingATV.com. So, what does that mean for you? Imagine you're researching a complex topic, like climate change. Instead of just getting a list of links, you can ask Gemini to summarize the key findings of a scientific report, identify the main arguments, or even generate a visual representation of the data. You can ask it to explain complex concepts in simpler terms, tailored to your level of understanding. Or, let's say you're a student working on a history project. You can ask Gemini to help you analyze primary source documents, identify historical trends, or even generate a fictional dialogue between historical figures. You can ask it to create a timeline, or a map, or a summary of a specific war. For creatives, Gemini can be a powerful brainstorming partner. You can ask it to generate story ideas, write poems, compose music, or even create visual art. You can ask it to help you refine your writing, suggest alternative phrasing, or even translate your work into different languages. Essentially, the Gemini website is designed to be a collaborative tool, a platform where you can interact with AI in a more natural and intuitive way. It's not just about finding information, it's about understanding it, synthesizing it, and using it to create something new. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the key features that make Gemini unique. One of the most significant aspects is its ability to handle multimodal input and output. This means you can interact with Gemini using text, images, and even audio. For example, you could upload a photo of a plant and ask Gemini to identify it, provide information about its growth requirements, or even suggest recipes that use it. Another key feature is its ability to understand and generate code. This makes Gemini a valuable tool for programmers and developers. You can ask it to help you write code, debug errors, or even generate entire programs based on your specifications. Furthermore, Gemini is designed to be highly customizable. You can tailor its responses to your specific needs and preferences. For example, you can adjust the tone and style of its writing, specify the level of detail you want, or even create custom prompts and templates. Think of it as having a highly skilled research assistant, a creative partner, and a coding expert all rolled into one. It's a tool that can help you learn, create, and explore in new and exciting ways. But it's not just about the features. It's also about the underlying philosophy. Gemini is built on the principle of responsible AI development. This means that Google is committed to ensuring that Gemini is used in a safe and ethical manner. They're working to mitigate bias, protect privacy, and prevent misuse. This commitment to responsible AI is crucial as we move towards a future where AI plays an increasingly important role in our lives. We need to ensure that these powerful tools are used for good and that they benefit everyone. Now, you might be wondering, how does Gemini differ from other AI chatbots or search engines? Well, traditional search engines are primarily designed to retrieve information based on keywords. They don't necessarily understand the context or the intent behind your queries. AI chatbots, on the other hand, are designed to engage in conversational interactions. However, they may be limited in their ability to handle complex tasks or generate creative content. Gemini aims to bridge the gap between these two approaches. It combines the information retrieval capabilities of a search engine with the conversational abilities of an AI chatbot. But it goes beyond that. It's designed to be a multimodal, customizable, and responsible AI platform. It's important to remember that Gemini is still under development. Google is constantly working to improve its capabilities and expand its features. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of Gemini in the future. This brings us back to our initial question: what is the Gemini website? It's a platform that represents a significant leap forward in how we interact with information and AI. It's a tool that can help us learn, create, and explore in new and exciting ways. It's a glimpse into the future of human-computer interaction. It's a step towards a more intuitive, powerful, and collaborative relationship with technology. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly access and synthesize information from any source, where you can collaborate with AI to solve complex problems, and where you can unleash your creative potential in ways you never thought possible. That's the promise of Gemini. It's not just about making information more accessible, it's about making knowledge more actionable. It's about empowering individuals and organizations to achieve their goals and make a positive impact on the world. The Gemini website isn't just a website, it's a gateway to a new era of AI-powered exploration and creation. It's a tool that has the potential to transform the way we learn, work, and interact with the world around us. And, of course, like any new technology, there are still questions to be answered. How will we ensure that Gemini is used responsibly? How will we address the potential for bias and misuse? How will we balance the benefits of AI with the need to protect privacy and security? These are important questions that we need to address as we move forward. But one thing is clear: Gemini represents a significant step forward in the evolution of AI. And it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with information and technology. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.